Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube without subscribers. All right, so if you're super excited to learn exactly how to do that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. Also, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. All right, so let's get right into the content. All right, so we're talking about not having any subscribers and still making money, right? I want you to know straight up that it's real. You can make it happen, right? Now, I'm going to be talking about two effective ways to do it, right? Because I like to share with you things that are actually going to be of value to you, that they're going to actually work, right? So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about in this video, the first way on how to make money without subscribers, is a service-based business, right? So maybe you don't really know what that is. Maybe you do, but I'll kind of get into the details, right? So for example, I have a service-based business as well as a few online businesses, right? Now, what I do, just to kind of give you an idea so you can like look inside of yourself and realize that each and every one of us has something that we can do very well, right? So that thing for me is to rank videos, right? Or drive traffic through YouTube. And I understand, I invested in myself to learn that skill set. And then I said, hey, how can I now use a skill set that so that skill set can make me money? So immediately I thought to myself, I should start consulting with local business owners, because think about it. Not all local business owners are really into social media, right? Some of them just don't know the potential of using Facebook ads, YouTube organic traffic, right? They don't understand that. So me, as someone who knows how to rank videos and just drive traffic in general, I can reach out to those local business owners, which I do. And I live here in Arizona. So I reach out to Arizona local business owners and I consult with them. I let them know, hey, this is the opportunity you have to drive more traffic, to get more phone calls, right? So that's essentially what I'm doing here. I'm just looking at what I already know, right? A skill set I already have, and then I reach out to business owners, right? So essentially it's business to business, right? And then I just ask them to pay me for the results that let me say this. You don't want to guarantee anything when you're talking to these business owners, depending on whatever it is that you decide to do, but you want to be confident in what you do, right? And I'm very confident in my ability to drive traffic on YouTube. And whatever it is that that you have a skill set in, I want you to be confident as well. So when you're talking to these people, they don't see you as a joke. All right. So that's what a service-based business is. So whether you're, trying to think of a good example, other than ranking videos. Ranking videos is kind of hot right now, honestly. I mean, even though it's been around for a very long time, it's a skill set that you have. So why not use it? So if you've ever invested into anything, you invested your money into something to learn a certain skill set, that can be applied here. So just really think about that in your mind. All right. So the second way to make money on YouTube without subscribers is affiliate marketing. Guys, on this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing a lot, right? You've seen where I've showed my results, where I've had consistent $1,000 months by just applying what I learned over what is it? 2018 right now. So 2014 is when I started this journey. It's now 2018. I've been doing this for roughly about 4 years, guys. So affiliate marketing is powerful. Now let me talk about the benefits of it, right? So if you're someone who's new to affiliate marketing, let me kind of explain what it is, all right? And for the people who already know, just kind of bear with me through the rest of the video. Now, Affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product for a percentage of the earnings. So all you're really doing is, let's say you go to the movies, or let's say you go to the movies by yourself, right? You go watch a movie and you're like, oh man, this movie is great, right? I gotta tell my friends, right? Now you go out, you tell your friends that, hey, that was a great movie, you should check it out. Now, when they go and watch that movie, you're not going to get paid from it, right? Think of it like that. Now, if you had an affiliate link and you told them, hey, go watch this movie, and just, you can let them know if you want to that you're going to get a commission from it, or you're going to get something from it, because it's always better that way. Now, I will tell you this, like when you get on this entrepreneurship journey, or this YouTube journey, or whatever you decide to do, you have to realize early on that you have to get to a point where you want to do this whether you're going to get paid or not. And that's just the honest truth. Like I can sit here and be completely honest with you. Each and every time I get in front of this camera or my laptop or whatever, I get excited, guys. I get very excited, and I just think about it. I'm sitting here on the camera, and I'm providing people valuable information that could literally change their life if they just take action. You know what I mean? And that's what I think about. So with affiliate marketing, you're not going to have to do any sales copy. You're not going to have to create a sales page. You're not going to have to do any of the work that a product, like a vendor, would have to do. So all I guess you can say all the harder work is kind of put out of the way for you. Your only job as an affiliate marketer is to drive traffic to that offer. But here's the twist, right? Because you'll probably hear that a lot. But the twist is to do it through valuable content, which is the way that I do it. Is I do it through YouTube, and I feel it's so powerful because it allows you to create, like, I don't like to say passive, because anything can happen to YouTube, right? And then all that passive stuff that you had could go away. But it's like one of the most hands-off methods, because once you put out a video, that video can be up for 10 plus years, and that can be passive income for you. So think about it. Let's say you have a straight up review channel. All you do is reviews. Let's say you just rank multiple videos. I want you to think about this like a house, right? You're building a house from scratch. You got one brick, right? Then you get another brick on top of that brick. Then you keep building the brick until eventually you have a house. And I want you to think about doing videos like that. You're putting out so much content, right? It gets to the point where, like, it's crazy, right? But as you can see, I'm kind of hyped up about it because it's so powerful. YouTube allows you to really expand your reach and drive a ton of traffic. You see what I mean? So affiliate marketing and service-based businesses are the most effective way to make money on YouTube without subscribers, right? Now what I want to do is I'm going to minimize my screen so I can show you what I'm referring to when I talk about like a service-based business on how I would do it, all right? So let me go ahead and minimize my camera. All right. And I'm here on ClickBank. All right, so I'll go over the affiliate marketing first, and then I'll kind of go into the service-based business. All right, so this right here is clickbank.com. Now, clickbank.com is a billion-dollar company, right? They're very reputable. They house a bunch of different products and affiliate offers. Right now, as you can see, I'll just go ahead and just give you an update of what I've made so far this month. Right, so far this month I've made $1,125.04. All right, now how did I do that? I used affiliate marketing, because what is already happening is I've already did the research for different products. Right. At this time, I'm specifically promoting one, but in the past, I promoted other products, right? Now, affiliate marketing can be a hands-off process if you really know what you're doing. But if you don't, then you're just going to be spinning your wheels, right? And that's not something I want you to do. So up in the top right corner of this video, I'm going to put another video. If you look up there right now, you'll see another video I did on my entire $1,000 per month strategy. So if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and click on that, click in the top right corner of this video. It'll take you right over there and show you exactly how I do it. All right, so that'll cover the affiliate marketing part, so you know exactly what it is that I do to generate results. All right, now let's get into the service-based business on what you would actually do. Right, so I'm just going to draw like a stick figure real fast, just a quick stick figure. All right, so this right here is me, right? I don't actually go to like the local business owner's location unless I absolutely have to. What I do is I'm just going to draw like some, signals here, where I call them or I send them an email, right? Now, when they start to reply to these emails, I will just, consult with them a little bit, talk to them, let them know, what I'm going to be doing for them. And then I'll eventually get to the point where I'll let them know what the charge is going to be. Right now, there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can do it as a one-time charge, which I don't really recommend, or you can do a retainer, right? So that'll be every month, or however you want to work it out with the person, so that you'll be getting paid on a monthly basis rather than them just paying you one time. All right. So essentially, let's actually go to Google so I can show you an example, right? So let's say I rank a video for somebody on Google and it's like plumbing. All right, so here we go. Plumbing for Sierra Vista, right? That gets 170 searches per month. So I want you to imagine just for a moment, right? I tell a business owner, let's say for instance, where this Sierra Vista Plumbing Incorporated is, let's say I have a video right here. It's ranked right here, because you can rank videos on Google if you didn't already know, right? Let's say I have a video ranked right here and I did it just as a test. What I would do is, when I'm talking to this business owner, I would show him, hey, what if I had a video ranked for you right here in this spot, and he can see that it would be driving traffic, right? Because I would have already had the video up ranking, and just let him know, hey, the spot is already there. I could literally just change the number or put your number where that video is ranked at. You see what I mean? So then the person will be looking like, oh, that's pretty cool. That may drive a lot of traffic, right? And it does drive a lot of traffic, because if your video is ranking on Google and YouTube, I want you to really think about that. And in 170 searches per month, you don't even need 170 searches per month, because think about it. When somebody's searching on Google, they're trying to find the quickest solution. So if they go on Google, type this in, plumbing Sierra Vista, and then they come here and they see this first video, 9 times out of 10, most times people are going to click on the video. I know I would, right? And if I see a video, I don't want to read I don't really want to read anything, to be completely honest with you. I just want to click on a video and get the fastest results, especially when it comes to plumbing. All right. So that's essentially what I'm doing here. I'm just reaching out to business owners, whether it's calling, emailing them, or going straight to the place. I'm not a big fan of going to the location, but sometimes you really have to, because sometimes they actually want to meet face to face, so they can kind of feel you out a little bit. All right. So that is really all, guys. Let me go ahead and maximize my screen again. All right. So I've talked to you about affiliate marketing, and I've also talked to you about service-based business. I know I went on a little bit longer than I really wanted to kind of cover this topic, but I felt it was important that I actually show you and show you exactly what takes place in the processes, because it's super powerful when you have a skill set, guys. Once you realize what your skill set is, if you don't already have one, start investing into learning new skill sets, because then you can literally get out there and start using that skill set that you paid your hard-earned money to learn and start increasing your income. All right, so I don't want to continue to, go on long, make this video all drawn out and all that other stuff. But I hope that I provided you some value here in this video. And if I did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You already know, thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tick that bell icon to be notified. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.